Inihahandog ng Regal Films at GMA Films ang most awaited trending movie ng taon.
The reason you should see this movie is it's just you're never gonna see a movie like this. The punchlines, the humor, it's just absurd. The fact that this became a movie, me and Augie were just talking, it's a surprise, so you will not see a movie like this. So you gotta watch it.
Oh, behind the scenes, Boy Pickup.
Bakit?
You're my hero.
I got my tan. Delo, did you get my tan?
Kasi tayo, boom. Sa larangan ng pickup, hindi na siya ang hat.
And my character is Boy Backup. I'm like the guy who just gets Boy Pickup. Just gets him. Like I'm the only guy that gets him. Everything that he says makes sense, even if everyone thinks that it doesn't. I just yell. I just sigaw lang. I just yell most of the time. That's what I do.
Napadingle ako doon, pick up! Pick up! Pick up!
Bawat bawat mga pangyayari bawat segundo ng pangyayari masaya eh. So, laughter. Pero gusto ko yung kanina yung mga banat ni Nanjo sa kanila ni Mike Siete.
Lagi siyang panalo lalo na pag nag-init. Wala pa siyang talo, tunay siyang undefeated. Super sa sobrang lakas!
Pero masaya kami dahil dito kami. Nakita namin si Idol. Boy Pickup.
Entertainment.
We're here on our third day of shoot. We just came from our trailer and all our demands were there. There was Wi-Fi, there was laptop, and I made sure they had a poster of Bob Marley on the wall of my trailer. Boom!
Boom! Bob Marley. Bob Marlon.
Tulad ng dot. Hindi na siya swabe, hindi na makadiskarte. At sa pick-upanin. Hindi na siya swabe. Hindi na makadiskarte.
Boom! Boom!
Ubusan ng bahala, wala nang atake sa larangan ng pinapagod.
Isang pelikulang puno-puno ng action, romance, comedy, Master! Tulungan mo ako! Suspense! Fantasy! Horror! Hindi ko kailangan ng pera! Kailangan ko asawa! Sayawan! Kantahan! At higit sa lahat, pick-upan! Toxic ka ba? Super kasado na! Humanda na sa pagdating!
He's so enigmatic.
Matatalo din kita ng superhero ng pick-upan!
Bakit?
You're my hero, pick up!
Ubus ng props.
Meron na ba kayo bonus?
May nakasapit mo sa yung bangs eh, oh.
Okay lang. Take tayo siya.
Yung bangs na nila.
Sila lahat ba kayo bibitaw? Naubusan ng bala, wala nang atake sa larangan ng pick-up pag hindi na siya ang hat. Boom!
Bakit? 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 Sige, galing mo tayo doon.
All conectado just means we're all connected. You know what I mean? I mean, for some reason, actually, with this movie, it's parang everything just seemed connected before this actually happened. The hip-hop community, everything, it's just the collaboration for the soundtrack with Q York, it just happened by so spontaneously, but it all just came together. So sometimes you just feel that as long as you have the right attitude, everything is already connected. So it's just having the proper attitude to things. So yeah.
Boy Pickup the movie! A film by Dominic Zapata in theaters June 6!
Pick-upan ako'y walang sabi.